Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're introducing what we believe is the best emergency roadside kit with flares and tools, the HLWDFLZ 36-piece car emergency roadside kit. Whether you're prepping for harsh winters, gearing up for a long road trip, or just want peace of mind during your daily commute, this kit is designed to keep you safe and prepared. Let's jump right in. This 36-piece kit isn't just a random assortment of tools. It's a comprehensive emergency companion thoughtfully curated to cover almost any roadside situation. You're not just buying items, you're buying preparedness. At the core of this kit is HLWDFLZ's commitment to safety and quality. They emphasize durability, functionality, and practical value, which is immediately evident the moment you open the kit. The standout feature has to be the LED emergency road flare. It's compact, magnetized, and features 9 different lighting modes. This isn't just a light, it's a high-visibility beacon designed to grab attention during a breakdown or accident, especially in low light or bad weather conditions. You can mount it on your car thanks to its magnetic base or simply place it on the ground for a visible 360-degree warning. Now let's talk about power. The kit includes reliable jumper cables, a must-have when facing a dead battery, especially in freezing temperatures. These are not your flimsy, bargain bin cables. They're built to perform when you need them most. Alongside the cables, you'll also find a heavy-duty towing rope, which can handle emergency situations where a quick tow is necessary. This can be a literal lifesaver in remote or icy areas where tow trucks take hours to arrive. Moving beyond the essentials, the kit includes safety gloves, a multi-tool, reflective vest, emergency whistle, and more. Each item has its place and purpose. Everything is organized neatly within a sturdy, compact carrying case. No more clutter in your trunk, and no need to scramble through multiple boxes or bags when time is of the essence. One of the most impressive things about this kit is how it brings everything together in a no-nonsense, intuitive layout. You don't need to be a mechanic to use this kit. Whether you're a seasoned driver or someone just starting out, every item is straightforward and practical. This also makes it a fantastic gift. Think about it. A new driver, a college student away from home, a family member who takes long trips, this kit shows you care about their safety in a real, tangible way. It's a perfect birthday or holiday gift, or even a graduation send-off. At the end of the day, we all hope we never have to use an emergency roadside kit. But if the situation arises, a dead battery, a winter breakdown, a flat tire on a dark highway, having the HLWDFLZ 36-piece kit in your trunk could make all the difference. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. If safety, preparedness, and peace of mind are on your checklist, this kit absolutely deserves a spot in your vehicle. Make the smart choice before the emergency happens. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another review that helps you buy smarter. Stay safe out there.